yeah, so yeah, I don't know what else. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be kind of doing a comparison of the Joyyum round brush and the Revlon one-step dryer. I kind of did a quick get ready with me with this hair tool. If you guys want to see how I got this hairdo, keep watching, and I will also let you guys know which hot tool I prefer, and I will see you guys in a second. Okay, so this is my natural hair that's just been towel dried. It's super frizzy and wavy. I have like some curls at the bottom. It's just like a lion's mane. I have already put in my heat protectant and my leave-in conditioner, so we are all ready to go. And we are gonna fix this mane. Oh, by the way, this sweater is from Made with Love, Montreal. This girl named Sarah, she makes these custom sweaters, and also she just kind of has her own designs, and they're all super cute. I have another sweater that says "Be Kind," and it is adorable. There's a little bee on it. But yeah, you guys should definitely check out her page. She has the cutest items ever. She makes mugs, she makes scrunchies, she makes clothes. It's really cute. So definitely check her out. She's awesome. Let's get back to the video. So this is the Joyyum round brush that I'm going to be using for my hair. I have let it kind of air dry. I towel dried it and put the products in, and it's kind of air dried. So it's just kind of damp. This is a blow dryer brush, and it also comes with two other heads. This is more of a thin barrel, which is pretty much just like this one but just thinner. And then this one is an actual just plain brush. So I will use both of these in this video today. I'll just show you how this one works, and then I'll probably just continue with this round brush. So let's jump right in. Okay, so first I'm just gonna brush out my hair, and let me tell you, it is going to get way more frizzy than it is right now. So with this brush, there is a high, low, cool, and off setting. So you can kind of just switch it to where you want it. And there is a lock as well to lock in whatever attachment you use. I'm gonna click the lock button and pull this out. And we're gonna start with the straight brush. And you kind of just twist it in and it locks on its own. It doesn't move. So my hair is pretty much dry for the most part, I'd say. So let's see. So I think this might work better on wet hair for this straight brush, but it makes it straight, but it's just still a little bit frizzy for me. So I think I don't know if it needs to be wet, if that's the problem, or my hair is just too frizzy for this thing to handle. But I'm just gonna try one more time. Okay, well, it's straight. So that is how this brush works. And it's very smooth. It doesn't get your hair caught or anything. I really like it. And this isn't too loud. So now we're gonna go in the round brush, and I'll show you how this one works. So I am using the high setting, just so you guys know. guys see how amazing this is? So I prefer to use this one on dry hair. So I just feel like it was a quicker process. So I like to let my hair air dry and then I will start to use this. And if you guys want more of like a tighter ringlet, that's when you can use the smaller barrel. That is it compared in size. I do like wider waves, and then these eventually actually like calm down and become less of a curl and more of a wave. So I really, really like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair. I'm gonna speed it up. So this is what it looks like. It gives you like a nice blowout curl kind of a thing. It's really nice. I love it so much. This is like my favorite hairstyle. So in comparison of this to the Revlon, say this one, because it's a smaller barrel, that it gives you extra curl, as opposed to the Revlon, it gives you more of like a blowout, straight but like voluminous look. This gives you voluminous blowout and like a little bit of wave at the bottom of your hair too. So in comparison, this is like, this might be winning, but yeah, I love it so much. So I will link this below if you guys are interested, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed doing my hair today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Follow my socials. I have Instagram, like to know it. I have a TikTok. What else I have? I have an Amazon store. So just check out everything down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.